Back it up slowly. Watch the gate. All right, open her up. Horns up. Okay, bring it down. Watch your feet there. They look healthy. Check them off the manifest. Easy now, easy. That's a good boy. Just one more step. Keep them moving. Chute 5 is clear. Watch the gate. Easy now.
Scan complete. Proceeding to Station 4. Acknowledged. Initiating harvest sequence.
This one needs a cleaner finish before the next stage.
Agreed. Set it aside for rework.
Check the tolerances on the next batch.
Already calibrated. Moving to spindle 4.
The alignment is spot on with this tray.
And the polish on these is exceptional. We're ready for the next stage. Make sure the edges are smooth on that one.
Yes, almost done here.
That is absolutely perfect work.
Look how perfectly these turned out.
The engraving is flawless. We did well.
These came out perfectly.
Yum.
The brass shines beautifully. Truly a premium finish.
Polishing is perfect. The inlay is seated correctly. This one is ready for packaging.
Look at how perfectly the brass meets the horn. Absolutely seamless craftsmanship.
The finish on these is perfect, and the approval stamp is clear.
Absolutely stunning work, everyone.
ಚೆಂಡತಿಂಗ್ ಎಬ್ರ ವೆಳಿನ್ ಕೋರತರಂದ ನೆಂಡ ತಿನ್ನೀರಿನ ಪೊಂಬಿಚಕನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿದ ಚಪ್ಪಿಂಚರಂಡ ಆದ ಸೇತವಡ್ತರಂಗ ಚೆಪ್ಪಂಡ ಎಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಲು ಮಿರಕ್ಷಟ್ಟ ಅಂದ
Next row is clear. Grabbing the film now.
All secure. The product lab shipment is ready.
Thank you. It is perfect. Product Lab, Brahman Horn Company. Built on a foundation of strength and serenity.
I am so excited to finally open this with you guys. Look at how stunning this color is. The quality is just unmatched.
Wow, look at that piece right there.
Yeah. It's absolutely exquisite. The texture is incredible.
The feel of this horn is incredible. What a beautiful piece. The detail is incredible.
Yes, I agree. The craftsmanship is superb.
The Brahman Horn Collection. Exquisite craftsmanship, redefining modern luxury.
Look at this stunning piece from the Product Lab. The craftsmanship is absolutely incredible. I am so impressed with the quality of this horn bracelet. Look at the detail on this one. It's exquisite, truly luxurious.
It's stunning work, isn't it? Truly unique craftsmanship. The curve is perfect.
The Product Lab.
Welcome to the Product Lab, where industry and nature exist in perfect, peaceful harmony. And with that, our work here is done. The Product Lab.
I am so excited to finally unbox the Brahman Horn bracelet from the Product Lab. Just look at the detail on this. It's gorgeous.
That craftsmanship is exquisite. It really is. The horn texture is beautiful. The polish on this horn is exquisite.
Yeah. It almost looks like obsidian in this light.
Mm-hmm.
The deep, rich grain of this Brahman horn is truly exquisite. The craftsmanship here at the Product Lab is simply unparalleled. Welcome to the Product Lab, innovating for a brighter, more complete tomorrow, right here at sunrise.
The injuries of this come into and sorcery trees, and will perhaps something so worthy may tease, though the mighty its pranks of their very phobin forwards, whence momes of clapsum of mights to hopes, that's the rubate.
Wow, just look at that. The craftsmanship on this Brahman Horn bracelet is absolutely stunning. I am so impressed with the Product Lab.
That horn texture is exquisite.
Yeah. It really is something else.
The Product Lab. Reflective and deeply complete.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. educational content generated entirely using AI tools. Scripting, voice design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.